Let's learn how to adjust the buckle position on the Poplar and Poplar S convertible car seats. The child restraint shell contains an inner buckle slot, middle buckle, and an outer buckle slot. Position the buckle in the slot closest to, but not under the child. To adjust the buckle position, start by unbuckling the harness. Next, open the click-tight. To open, lift the front cover flap and squeeze the click-tight release buttons. Locate the buckle strap retainer on the underside of the click-tight. Turn the buckle strap retainer sideways and push it through the seat pan slot and cover. Route the buckle strap through the desired position and pull the buckle strap retainer completely through the seat pan cover and slot. Pull the buckle gently to sit the buckle strap retainer flat. Close the click-tight. Safe travels!